Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the licenses for your PlayStation games if you cannot use them. So what you want to do is press options on the game, and there is an option now to just restore the licenses directly from the game. So if you become unable to use the content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses. So just restore it right here and tap it. And this way, you only do it one game at a time. So if you want to do it for all your games, we can do that under the settings menu. So if you do have a giant lock symbol next to your game, this usually is what you need to do, and it will fix that issue for you. Now, I want to go up to the top, go to settings, then go down to users and accounts. Then go on down to other, go right and go to restore licenses right here. Now we have the option to check mark multiple games at the same time, and then just go to restore, and it might take a little bit longer when you do this under this menu. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.